The UranHub G30 is a budget-focused drone promising 4K imaging and GPS stability in a lightweight, travel-ready package. It aims to make advanced flight features accessible to newcomers. Check the link in the description for the best price. Let's look at how this drone actually performs for the average pilot. We looked at how this drone performs in common flight conditions and video tasks. The beginner flight modes make it easy for new pilots to handle the drone without needing advanced skills. Having both GPS and optical flow allows for stable hovering, which is essential for any modern drone pilot. While it claims high resolution, the actual image clarity and stabilization are not on par with premium options. The lightweight design is great for portability, but it does struggle when the wind picks up during flight. The feature list is impressive for the price, but real-world performance for video and flight stability. We evaluated whether the features provided deliver genuine value for your money. The sheer number of technical features included at this price point is very generous for an entry-level buyer. The brand is still establishing its reputation, which may lead to questions regarding long-term quality and consistency. It stands up well against other budget models, even if it cannot match the polish of established industry giants. The value increases significantly during sales, making it a much easier purchase for those on a tight budget. While the entry price is competitive, the value proposition is diluted by the presence of more. We analyzed the potential risks of choosing this specific drone. The build quality is adequate for the price, but you should not expect the ruggedness found in higher-end models. Reliability is always a question with newer budget brands, as long-term durability hasn't been fully verified yet. Accessing customer support or warranty services can be more difficult than with brands that have a deeper footprint. The companion application functions as expected, keeping in line with standard privacy practices for this category. The lack of widespread independent verification and limited brand support infrastructure are the main risks buyers. The UranHub G30 is a tempting option for beginners who want GPS features without a large investment. However, given the limited real-world data, the long-term reliability and video quality remain uncertain. If your priority is a proven, reliable experience, industry leaders like DJI are still the safer bet.